the local news item on the 21st of March 2023 in the Khasi daily Mawlong under the caption Shah Samla Yo Mawlong. Khasi stamp at Yo Mawlong. Mr. Speaker, sir, the incident that happened on Saturday has once again raised the concern and fears of the people in the city. On the fateful Saturday evening, that is on the 18th March 2023, one Khasi named Sikarayan Sotyan, 25 years old, was stabbed on the chest by four unknown miscreants while on his way to Mawlai from his workplace at Mawlong. And as per the FIR filed by the sister of the victim, from Khasi Sotyan, it is mentioned that her brother, upon reaching Mawlong and while walking on foot, four miscreants had approached him and asked for a matchbox, which he responded by saying that he does not have. And then they asked for his mobile, which he again refused to entertain. Immediately thereafter, they attacked by stabbing him on his chest, which made him collapse and become unconscious. And after a few hours, some unknown persons had come to the rescue of the victim by taking him home. The victim, as per this news report, is still undergoing treatment. Sir, it is important to note that this incident is not a one-off incident. In fact, the area within the periphery of the incident has become a source of continual annoyance or trouble for commuters. That, in spite of the fact that the beat house is just a stone's throw.
This is zero. You cannot make long speech.
Yes, I would just want to make a brief elaboration.
Zero.
In spite of the fact that the beat house is just a stone's throw away, as well as the security forces deployed there after post 2018. Sir, Yo Mawlong is not only the commercial heart, but it is the heart of the city. Therefore, it is imperative on the part of the minister concerned to ensure that the safety and commuting this particular area is maintained at all costs. So therefore, I would request the Honorable Minister in charge of Home to kindly take a serious note and necessary steps to ensure peace and security